Talk to a Doctor Telehealth full review features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Talk to a Doctor Telehealth are in the description, so check them out for more details. Now let's get straight to the review. Talk to a Doctor is a telehealth service designed for people who need quick, reliable access to licensed doctors for virtual consultations, prescriptions, and general medical advice. It's ideal for those looking to avoid long wait times at clinics or ERs, offering a faster, more convenient way to get professional medical guidance from anywhere. This platform is particularly useful for busy individuals, travelers, and those without easy access to in-person healthcare. Key features include 24/7 access to doctors via video, phone, or chat, making it easy to connect with a provider anytime. The service covers a wide range of medical concerns, including urgent care needs, chronic condition management, mental health support, and prescription refills. It also integrates with many insurance plans, reducing out-of-pocket costs for users. Additionally, Talk to a Doctor offers a subscription-based model, allowing unlimited consultations for a fixed monthly fee, which can be more cost-effective than paying per visit. Now let's talk about its strengths. First, immediate access to doctors means you can get medical advice without waiting days for an appointment. Second, the flexibility of multiple communication options, video, phone, or chat, lets users choose what's most convenient. Third, the affordable subscription plans make it an excellent alternative to traditional in-person visits, especially for those needing frequent consultations. However, there are some limitations. While the service is great for general medical concerns, it's not suitable for emergencies or conditions requiring physical exams. Also, some prescriptions may not be available, especially for controlled substances. Lastly, insurance coverage varies, so users should check whether their plan includes this service before signing up. Overall, Talk to a Doctor Telehealth is a solid choice for those seeking fast, convenient, and affordable virtual healthcare. It's best for non-emergency medical issues, prescription refills, and ongoing health support. If you're looking for a reliable telehealth solution, check the links in the description and start your first consultation today.